Hi guys. So last video was our service management recurring task. Everything was explained in that. Task management is on next video. So this video we will be taking client management. How to manage a client, create a client, things like that. So coming to the client management, one thing you can do is you can import the clients from CSV or Excel what you have. You can just download the sample template and check the details on the template. Here you can see name, business type, PAN number, TAN number, everything you can group name, state, everything you can just fill it and import to our portal, or you can create it one by one. Just a business name you can give, GST number if you give it to Auto-Fetch. Let me check for some GST of GST of okay, nearby GST of Bango. Let me check some GST number. Just give the GST, verify it to fill all the details. Uh, so I'm just giving a name. Also there is something called a client tag. You can tag something to the client. So if something like I'm giving a client one time client, so I'm considering him as a only one time service like GST registration or company registration only. So these are the all fields here we can give TAN number, CN number. Suppose you need more numbers like more field like maybe source, uh, capacity, something like that. Uh, some number like license, LIC number or something. You can just add more custom fields. The custom will be applicable for all the. I will show that. Before that, I am just creating the client. Before creating a client, you can just map the service to this client. So mapping the client, I am just only creating GST registration for this client. So I am saving it. This client is saved. So what I mean is, here you can see I haven't given any data on here maybe 1 2 3 here you can see the type also, it's a number, source, Facebook, something like that I have given. I'm changing it. You can see custom field, the data will be here, key identifier will be there, service applicable, every data will be here. So one thing about the custom field, when you again try to add a client, you can see the custom field here. Every custom field you say once will be there on every form of the client addition. So if you want to delete some custom field, you can just go to office config, go to client, there are custom fields. You can just delete it or add more field, edit it, anything you can do. Same for everything, contact designation you can add from here, group category, everything you add from the form will be coming to this page as office config. For leads, for task you can see it's coming, for services you can see it coming here, everything will be coming to office config for the data population. So here is the client I have added. So I need to add more details like contact person, the email and password of this user. So everything will be added under the contact person only. When you want to send some email notification, that will be gone to the primary contact only. Suppose I am creating Anup Thomas some email, giving the number designation. Here we don't have some designation and adding it like owner or something. So I am the owner. So I'm saving a contact. So this is the primary contact number and contact email. So whenever some emails like expiry or something like by email broadcasting, we can send a email broadcast. Uh, Something like that will be sent. Email broadcast will be sent using here. You can see draft email template is there. You can send more like we can send the emails to every client, something like that you can do. Everything will be sent to this contact person. Okay, you can also add more contact person. Also, you can create a client account for a contact person. Suppose there are who accountant, there are people who who need to check the things, task, everything. You can create a account for him also. For creating an account, keep remember, don't create the same email. Just the email will be unique always, and the number only owner is there. So I'm adding one more designation who is accountant. Send notification to. I am not sending the notification. This is a random number. So I am creating a client account also. So it will take some time to create. I guess yeah, portal account is created to the accountant. So he can log into the client account. So I didn't remember the uh, email. I will be showing the client account login and things on somewhere client account client portal. So don't worry, in this video, to make it short, I am not explaining it here, but you can check the 13th video and get a deep understanding. So next is credentials. You can add credentials. Suppose you have the client who's a GST portal. You need to log into GST portal. I'm just giving, you can give the URL description. I'm just giving username and password, and you can just save the credentials. It's unlimited. You can add any number of credentials, anything you can add here. So whenever someone come, you need to just fast search the Bank of India. It will come here, and you can just go to the credentials and take it, or you can filter it out. Every features are there. So next is register in and out and DSE. I will be explaining each by each. Uh, yeah, registers. I will be explaining registers because we have a separate option for register. Whatever we assign to a client, that will be coming showing under it. That's just to show when you pick, you can just see what all register under the client, things like that. These things will be explained in when we take this portion, register, UDN and audit, registering and out DSU register and expiry management. So don't worry about it. It's just some registry, so don't worry about it. And the ticket section also we will be explaining in 14th video. So don't worry about it. Tickets will be also explained. Here you can see some ticket section. So all the things what you need to understand is all the things added from there will be coming under the client to faster no, like faster check all the things, like pick the client, you can just what all register are assigned to this client, DSC assigned to this client, ticket assigned to this client, contact person, credentials, document request. I will be explaining in few minutes. In the task section I will be explaining how document request, and document vault is just to keep some document under the client. Suppose some files, things like that can be created, or you can create folders 26 2027, create the folder, go under it, you can upload some file. uh, I have uploaded the file under the 2014, so something like that can be done also. So coming under next portion is filing. You can just sync the GST data, filing data, and it will sync with the GST portal and will show all the details here. And next is client portal. You can see who have the client portal, GST info. You can see notes also. You can keep just note. You can keep under a client. Also, you can give an image to the client, so it will be easier to distinguish whenever you assign something to a client. You can see. So this is the basic the client management thing. So I will be showing something bigger client base, so you will get a good understanding. Let me log into my test account. Yeah. So here you can see lot of clients. Thousands of clients are there. I think for now it's only 17. You can add unlimited number of clients. So suppose you want to send a mail to some client who is registered to GSTR1 only. So I'm just filtering by services. I have custom also monthly. Maybe I can 3B check for 3B quarterly. I think only few clients are there. That's why monthly filing. Yeah. So this service most of the clients is this is just test data. That's why it's like not that original looking. But yeah, these are the clients who have GSTR 3B monthly filing service. So you want to send a mail to all of them. So how will you do that? Just click here, all the clients are selected, draft an email, and you can just pick it and send a broadcast. All the mail will be sent to all the clients. As simple as that. So next thing is, yeah, I started getting emails because all the emails is under me. So you can see link a service. A bulk service can be linked to these clients. You can just link service bulkly. So that is one thing. Also you can link a group. Group section I will be explaining. You can add tag. Suppose one time tag you can add. So one time is given. So every time you can filter it out. Come to tags. Tags. One time. Retailer you can see. Just disabling in retailers you can see. Yeah, retainer. Sorry. So you can filter by the tags also. VIP clients you can just give a tag and search it. Every search possibility is there. Not registered. Registered you can register business type. You can register filter. Lot of filters. So that's all about the clients I guess. You can export it. Export the client. Customize the column. Is lot of columns are there. You can just remove it. Business name, service. Just you can see the table is customized. So let me give it back. Because this is the test account. Okay, so I have given it back. So next thing is client group. You can create multiple group. Suppose some family is there, Sharma family, uh, code, category family, internal notes. I am adding few clients to there and creating the group. So you can see this group is created. So you can add multiple, just filter it out what all who I need to add. So these 2 3 I am linking, not linking services, linking group Sharma family. I just linked them to the Sharma family. So one more thing you can do it here is link group, create multiple. You can just create one task from here. GSTR1 monthly something company registration. So uh, so all the client you picked here, a company registration task will be created. You can just check it. Boom. This is coming from the template we created. We have the template, right? We created on the service management, which I already explained on the video service management on the sixth video. That's why a template is created. So for all this client, a company registration task is created. You can see, boom, lot of tasks are created. So that's all about how to create a bulk task section. A lot of tasks can be created. So coming under the client group in the Sharma family, there is one more thing you need to remember. You can see all the data: total task, total open task, overdue task, total things can be seen under the Sharma family client group. Also, you can add assignee to the client group. Why the assignee is important is when a task is created, like recurring tasks are there, right? So in these services, we can give only default assignee, but how we will give some default assignee to default some clients have different assignee, right? Some clients, some other staffs are managing them, like suppose ABC staffs are there. Mostly a service is managed by AB, but C sometimes manage some specific clients. So how to do that is create a group for them. Just come here under the client group, just create a group, something assignee group, assignee maybe IDA staff group. So I'm adding few clients to there. So whenever a service is automatically created, I will show that. So IDA staff group, I have created IDA staff group. So I am assigning IDA to this. I think IDA is not there. Okay, something, some other you, Deepika Malhotra. I am assigning the Deepika Malhotra and I am just editing the group name. Deepika, Deepika staff group. So I am adding it. So whenever a recurring task is created, here on services we mentioned right how to create a recurring task and things. So in the recurring task template we are giving some default assignee, right? Whenever a normal task is created to the clients, if some assignee is given to the client group, this default assignee will be gone and the one who is assigned to the group will be given. You can see Deepika is assigned to this group, right? So whenever a service is created to this group, service or task is created to this group, this assignee will be automatically picked instead of the our default assignee in the task template. As simple as that. You just need to remember this assignee will be automatically overthrown to the other assignee we given on the task template. Just a simple thing. If you have any doubt you can just message me. Also you can filter it wise here like Amazon any number of things, something other thing you can do is by file number you can search 3 file number. This is the file number actually. You can filter it wise business name. You can filter, just give the email also. You can just filter it out, just giving phone number also. I think phone number will also work. 907, yeah, everything will be filtered using this just searching. You can just search it and everything can be fast filtered. Wipro, when it's easier is when it's come to thousands or 500s of clients, you can just filter it out. Wipro, boom, go to it, search everything. That's it, as simple as that. So that's about the client management. Next I will be taking about the task management. So if you have any doubt on a specific portion or something, you can just message me. Thank you.